Hey guys, hi everyone. So in this video series, we are going to automate one of the website. I will be showing up how you can handle each other like different web elements using your Selenium with Java. So I'll just quickly show you the website that we will be automating. So this is seleniumeasy.com/test is the website. You have different UIs available. You can guys practice this website for automating the how we can like handle different web elements. See, for the input forms, it's a simple form how we can handle the checkbox, radio button, select drop down. Select drop down is one of your select. You already have a select class, Ajax form, and everything, right? So with that, we are having others list box, and there are some several other items as well. So so let's just open one input form, and I'll be opening up the simple form demo. Okay, so this is the page. What we have to do over here is we have to enter a message. So we will be checking how we can enter any text on this. Let's say I have to enter message hello. So how can we do that? Let's go to my workspace. So this is the project that I have created. Selenium. I have. So once you create the project, you have to also import some external jars that is required for the Selenium. These are the Selenium jars. You can click on the add external jars. You just navigate to wherever your jars are located and just import them and apply it. So under the SRC project, I will be creating one class. So what class I will be creating is just about this. Like we are going to practice a SendKeys method, how it is working on Selenium. Okay. So, okay. Demo one, right? Right. Need public static void main. So this is, so I got my demo one class under the main method. I can write my code. Okay. So guys, what we need to do. So with this, I also need a Chrome driver, right? That can be like found on your Selenium website. You can download the exe file. Now coming to, so we have to like the first step is web driver equals to new driver, right? So we have to import this. Web driver is an interface, guys, and the Chrome driver is your class, which is implementing the web driver interface via Chromium driver class. Okay, so this is the object, guys. This is the object for the Chrome driver, and this is our example of a runtime polymorphism. Now, just like which driver it's gonna launch, you have to like provide the property on this. So we'll just do system dot set property, and if you want to launch the Chrome driver, so the Chrome driver property name is webdriver.chrome.driver, and here guys we have to provide the location where your driver is located, where is the exe file located, right? So as for my case, the exe file is located in this particular location. So guys, I have to provide this location with the file name. What file name? It's chrome driver.exe. Chrome driver.exe with obviously a semicolon over here. So what this step is going to do is this step is gonna launch your web driver. You have the driver reference. So with using this driver, what URL you want to open? So get is the method to open any URL once your driver is initialized. So for my case, I want to open this driver, this URL, sorry. So this step is to open the URL. Okay. So once the URL is launched, where I have to enter the text. In this text field, I have to inspect this. Okay. Once I inspect this, so you can see your input tag type equals to, and having a class is form control. Now you have to make a unique selector. Like since form control class is having C, yes, so class cannot be it's not a unique identifier for this. So what else? So guys, you can use your different plugins like selectors up, or crow path is also available to get your uh, otherwise you can simply write your XPath. So for this it would be / input. What is let's see, it's having ID at the rate ID. So if see guys, this is also giving up suggestions over there. So this, so see, I got one unique element over there. That is this. That's what we wanted, right? So we will be doing it by the next path. Let's go to our code driver dot. So find element is the method, guys. So driver has multiple methods. So first we have to find the element by what? This is your locator. We find it by XPath, and we have to provide the XPath expression over here. So this statement is gonna find, but once it is fine, what you have to do, you have to enter the text in this field, right? That is hello. So the method is send keys, guys. When you use your send keys, it takes an string as an argument. Whatever string you are gonna provide over here, that is going to be input over here. So our code is ready. Let's see whether we are able to input hello in this text field or not. So I'll just quickly run it as a Java application. So so Chrome driver, yeah, the Chrome instance launched. Yeah, guys. See, let's as of now, let's ignore this pop-up. Okay. See, hello has been entered. So guys, in the next upcoming videos, we will be seeing we'll go step by step, right? So we will be I've shown you the simple form, how we can end it. Okay, let's cover in this video only. Let's say I have entered hello. This is your button over here. You have to just click. So for this thing, what you can do is just simply inspect this one, copy this one. I'm not going to I'm not going to just write an XPath over here. I'll just copy because it is very reliable. I'll copy the XPath, and what I'll do, just the same way we entered the uh, text over there, the same way I will find element by XPath. Okay, and what XPath that I copied over there, and what I'll just do is click on this element. So initially what happens, like there is no message. Once we click, I get hello message over here. So let me run this once again. Okay, factory driver got launched. Yeah, it let's ignore this. So hello, and we clicked on this show message. Once we clicked on this, hello is getting printed over here. So this is how we use this send keys method, wherein we pass the argument as a string, and that string is gonna enter on your field, which you find with the next path, and then you just click over here, So this is what we did in this session. Let's see in the upcoming session. Stay tuned, guys. Bye.